Ngũĩ ũthũkangia wa indo cia mũingĩ mang'ũrĩ ma thigari itigetwo irĩ mĩrũrũngano-inĩ ya rũciaro rwa Gen Z rĩrĩ rĩtana rĩa kũiga thayũ na ũhoreru rĩgĩikio thikũ igĩrĩ mbere ya mũrũrũngano wa kũririkana arĩa makuĩrĩire mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi. Gũkũ magĩkũngũĩra mĩaka 100 rĩa gũkorwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, kanitha wa Thabatũ nĩ ũharĩrĩirie kĩgongona gĩa gũkenerera gũkorwo gwa kanitha ũyũ na makĩria kwarĩrĩria na kũhoera bũrũri rĩrĩ ũrugarĩ wa ũteti wongererekete.
To urge you, make your voice heard. Please make your voice heard in the loudest way, but it doesn't have to be violent. Make your voice heard in the loudest way you can, but you don't have to be negatively influenced to interfere with other people whose voices also needs to be heard. Do not, all of us have been your age at some point. Actually, the difference between the old people and the young people is that the old people have been young at some point, but the young people have not been old.
To the challenge and the issues that the youth continue to face today. We must positively impact society. We must continue to bring our young ones closer to the Lord. We must continue to teach them the Adventist way of life, so that they are respectful, they are responsible, and they are people who can listen, particularly when elders or people who are older than them speak.
Kuma gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Rakwe, makĩria ma anake 400 rungu rwa ũtongoria wa mũmbunge wa gũkũ Lilian Gogo nĩ mahutĩtie ngoro nyingĩ makĩarĩrĩria thayũ, ũnyitanĩri na gũteithĩrĩria gũcagũra arĩa megũteithĩka na mbeca iria cirutagwo nĩ rũhonge rwa CDF ĩrĩ ta njĩra ya kũmahe wĩra nĩguo kũmeherania na ciĩko cia wĩki-naĩ rũrĩrĩ-inĩ.
I have to be a person who is caring, I have to be responsible, and I also have to have empathy. I should consider those who are from the humble background and also those who are from different backgrounds. Thank you.
To the general national youth and the ones in Rangwe, demonstrations or picketing is a constitutional right when you want to speak out your mind. But I want to appeal to you that let us show some sense of responsibility. Let us not show destruction. Let us not exercise any destruction. Let us not insult. Just walk around if you want to peacefully show off or what you want to say. We have government officers, we have community workers, we have our elders whom you can engage as long as you don't destroy anybody's property.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Mwerũ wa Njuguna.